First of all, a very good afternoon to all of you. It's really a pleasure to be here for this fantastic polo match between Argentina and India. The ground is beautiful, the arrangements are fantastic. It's a wonderful setting for a game of polo. Lovely bright sunshine and lovely people. I'm really looking forward to this.
Okay, so if you talk, who is your favorite player?
Who's my favorite player? I haven't been following polo to be very, very honest. And but I will after today, so I'll probably will let you know. My apologies for that. My sincere apologies for that. But I haven't been following Indian polo for a while now.
Okay, if you talk, what are things you are expecting from this race?
Sorry?
What are things you are expecting from this race? Like
everything is gone. I mean, it's not a race, it's a polo match.
Yeah.
So I mean, you know, it's like people play against each other on horses, on horseback. I'm expecting a very tight, I'm expecting a very exciting match, and hopefully India will win. However, the Argentinians are renowned for their prowess in polo, and so they've created and produced champions consistently, Argentina. But I'm sure it's going to be a very good game.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir, tomorrow onwards there is a plastic ban in all over the Maharashtra.
There are what?
Plastic ban. What is your thought?
I think plastic should have been banned long ago. Long ago. प्लास्टिक को मतलब जिंदगी से हटाना उचित है. इसको पहले ही बैन करना चाहिए था, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक से मतलब हमें जितना नुकसान हुआ है ह्यूमन बींग्स को, इंसान को जितना नुकसान पहुंचता है ना प्लास्टिक से, उतना मतलब उसका फ़ायदा तो है ही नहीं. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि प्लास्टिक बैन कर दिया गया है, और मेरे ख्याल से तो ये परमानेंटली बैन कर देना चाहिए. थैंक यू.
course I'm very excited. मैं बीच में काफ़ी horse riding सीख रही थी, तो I think it's very nice to come back today, and especially I'm coming back for my friend Priya Kataria Puri, who's having a fashion show here, and of course my Suresh sir, who's taught me horse riding, is also here. So it's been a long time that I've not come here. So I enjoy this kind of sport also, you know. So yeah, so I think it's nice, no? And you get to wear these lovely hats.
Okay, so if we talk about who's your favorite Indian player in this? Because
Oh my God! Don't even ask me that. That's something I'm not so good at. But then I think like they're super talented. I was just learning horse riding, like plain horse riding, and it's so tough to control a horse, to make him understand that you do love him, and please don't throw me off, you know. And there are a lot of tricks in how you get on the horse and how you get off, and where are you supposed to touch the horse, and after every ride you have to tell him, okay, you know, you were nice to me. So I think there are a lot of things that I've learned, and I really want to start again my course again and become much more better. But then it's a tough job, like, you know, getting on a horse and just riding for 15 minutes is also very tough.
Ma'am, you're looking so much beautiful.
Hi, you always say that.
But today you're looking
Extra beautiful.
yes, yes. Can you tell us about your day?
I think it's only because the hat is doing all the difference. Definitely, I'm wearing Priya Kataria Puri, and I'm here to attend her show also, which is one of the major reasons. So definitely, I'm promoting her. You know, this is a very different kind of outfit. It's a very kimono style. If you see, it's a very Japanese style, and to wear that for a polo thing is, you know, very different, I feel. And of course I love this hats, and I feel every time I come for this, you know, anything that's happening in terms of derby races or a polo race, I think it's amazing to wear such hats. And you know, there are people I'm sure maybe wearing more fascinating hats, but then I love wearing it. Yeah.
and also Sana Hastily 4 is doing quite well.
इधर सब तो मुझे ऐसे पूछे जैसे मूवी में नहीं कुछ.
So did you like the movie?
Of course I loved the film, and I think it's very easy to any kind of film, it's very easy to say, you know, there are always certain things that we like, we don't like. हम कोई भी film देखते हैं, हम बड़ी से बड़ी film भी देखते हैं, तो I think हमको कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है जो नहीं पसंद आता है. So I think that's fair enough. अगर कुछ लोगों को अच्छी लगती है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं अच्छी लगती है, but I think आप जब कोई भी film देखते हो लाइफ में, वो पूरी की पूरी बुरी और पूरी की पूरी अच्छी कभी नहीं होती है. सो आई थिंक आई अप्रिशिएट एवरी सिंगल फिल्म, बिकॉज जब से मैं एक एक्ट्रेस बनी हूँ और मैंने स्ट्रगल देखा है, मैंने खुद का भी स्ट्रगल देखा है, मैंने डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर्स का भी स्ट्रगल देखा है, एंड आई थिंक टू मेक अ फिल्म इज़ नॉट अ जोक. और किसी की 1 साल की मेहनत होती है, यू नो, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्टर्स, डायरेक्टर्स, राइटर्स, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स. आई थिंक इट्स अ होल टीम वर्क. सो आई थिंक एज अ टीम आई थिंक फैबुलस.
And also Sana, Irfan Khan is not well, so what do you have to say?
See, I would only say that I hope he really recovers really soon, and that's really sad to know, because the day I got to know, I just couldn't believe, you know, कि really this happened. But obviously, and inshallah, I pray that Allah keep him in good health, and may he, you know, fight back and, you know, be perfectly fine.
Any upcoming project?
नहीं, अभी नहीं बताऊंगी.
Sana, tomorrow onward there is a plastic ban all over the Maharashtra. So how do you feel?
I think there should always be a plastic ban. I don't understand why, you know, we are always coming up with bans and new concepts कि ये करना ये करना. But I think till the time people don't start following it, and you know, वो खुद से कुछ नहीं करते हैं. आप ban लो, आप मोर्चा लो, आप, you know, candle march लेके निकलो, eventually nothing happens. So I think people have to work towards the climate change that's happening, and of course save our marine life also, which people just talk but they really don't work. ये वही चीज़ है जैसे हम सारे women empowerment चिल्लाते रहते, but apparently there's nothing called women empowerment, because people are just like, I think sometimes girls are just dying to put another girl down. So you know, that's not what women empowerment to me is. So I think वैसी ऐसी बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं where I think people have to start working, just not talking, and you know, having a single day where you call it a ban, or you know, come up with another day. आज हम, you know, ये जैसे हम 2 मिनट का आज के दिन साइलेंस ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं या ये कर रहे हैं, ये सब मुझे सुन के बहुत फ़नी लगता है. आई फील हमको प्रैक्टिकली कुछ करना चाहिए, है ना, हम हर किसी को.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
बहुत ही fun afternoon है and Bombay में derby बहुत famous है and it's the Millennium Asia Cup and I don't come here so often. It's just my third time here and I'm excited because it's Saturday and it's such a chilled out afternoon, yeah. And it's a match between India and Argentina, so it's going to be fun.
Okay, so if we talk, which is your favorite Indian player?
Favorite Indian player? Oh my god, I'm not so much into derby at all, you know. So I can't comment on that, but I'm just going to enjoy myself and have a nice time.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you're looking so much beautiful. Your hat.
Thank
Tell us
you.
about regarding your costume, regarding.
You know, you look बहुत, it's a vintage look and you always love it because you enjoy dressing up differently. मैं last time यारियाँ promote करने आई थी यहाँ पर and then I'd come once again. So this is, yeah, like I said, my third time and I'm getting to wear this fabulous hat and this beautiful dress, yeah, so.
Okay, and also ma'am, Irfan Khan is not well.
Yes.
So what do you have to say?
I just wish him a speedy recovery and I really love him as an actor. He's one of the finest actors in India has and I send all my love to Irfan and I hope and pray that he recovers soon and comes back because he is an incredible talent in the film industry.
Okay, any upcoming projects you want to share?
Production house के तो बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं but personally I won't like to share it right now.
But ma'am, your short film also did
Bulbul.
very well. Now when we will see you at the big
So
screen?
I've been getting good offers for acting now. So I'm just considering मैंने 3-4 scripts पढ़ी हैं. So I'm just going to finalize which one.
Any hint you want to give?
No, not right now at all.
And
sorry.
that's it. I'm going to steal her. The match will get over.
Oh, it's
International exhibit match. Okay, you got 30 seconds.
Last, ma'am, just we want to. Tomorrow is a plastic ban all over the Maharashtra. What do you want to say as an icon?
I think
ecological?
it's very important. Like even plastic bottles, you know, we don't really take care, but we end up drinking water from the plastic bottles. And जब हम पीते हैं तो हमारे अंदर plastic जाता है because plastic होता है. It's very harmful to the body. So it's a very good ban. And as much as possible, we should try banning plastic and convert to other sources like there's glass, there's steel. So we should look for other options. Completely ban it.
Red film also doing very well.
Yes, and
First
Sonu
day
ki
collection
too,
is at 10 crore.
yes.
About what you want to say? Have you watched that film?
I'm just happy, you know, my husband वो अपना तन मन और धन लगाते हैं production house में. So I think his hard work is paying off and I'm just happy.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Bye.